Hello guys, my name is Ernest Chooks. You're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to share yet another video with you. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress. A quick one, WordPress is a drag and drop website builder and it's also the most popular content management system in the internet. So there are two ways to install WordPress. You install WordPress using a web hosting provider, and my favorite web hosting provider is Namecheap because they are fast, they are reliable, their support system is amazing, actually above average, and also they are cheap. You understand? So I will leave a link to get a web hosting plan from Namecheap below in the description of this video. So the second way to install WordPress is to install WordPress locally on your computer. Now for your website to go live in the internet, you have to connect it to a domain name and also a hosting plan before it can go live to the internet. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress using a web hosting provider Namecheap, and you can also follow along even if you are using a different web hosting platform. So look out for a link in the description below to learn how to install WordPress to your local computer. You can use it to test run WordPress, to check how things work in WordPress, to check a theme, to check a plugin and all that. You can use it to test actually before you can now decide to build the main website. So with all that said, guys, if you have any question in between this video and you need more clarity, please leave them for me in the comment section below. I will attend to each and every one of them. And also please guys, if you got any value from this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. Also, if you are new to my channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button because that's the only way you get to pay me back for sharing free knowledge to you. You understand what I'm saying? So, and also please turn on the notification because that's the only way I get to grow my YouTube channel and you get to see me whenever I upload a new video. So guys, with that said and without wasting so much of our time, let's get right into the video. So I'm already logged into my Namecheap account, and then I will just go right here. I want to use this one. So this is a web hosting plan here and a domain attached to it. So I'll just go right here and go to cPanel, and so if you are using a different web hosting platform, they will provide a link for you to go over to the cPanel. So no matter the web hosting provider that you're using, they will provide a cPanel login details for you. So you will actually arrive here. Once you are in the cPanel, you will have to go to the softaculous app installer section. Now this is WordPress, and all these are also other content management systems, CMSs. So all you have to do is go over to WordPress, click on WordPress, and then now after that you have to just click on install here. You can see this, follow my mouse. So just click on install, and then the next thing to do is to choose the protocol. So right here, if you purchased your web hosting and then from Namecheap, so right here, so if your web hosting provider is Namecheap, so you probably have an automatic HTTPS installed on your website. Now here you can see that right here. Make sure that you are choosing the HTTPS to have that key locked on your website to ensure that your users are safe. Your users' information are safe. So now, if it's your first time installing WordPress and if you want WordPress to be installed on the main domain, so you don't have to do anything here, you don't have to put anything here, you just want to install the WordPress on your website.com. So you don't have to put anything in this directory field here, but for my sake I want to install it into a directory. So I just go WordPress demo. It's too long, but it's just for demo purposes. So that's WordPress demo. Okay, so I choose this HTTPS. Fine. Now you can leave the version, right here to the latest version. The latest version of WordPress is 6.0, so it's it's very new. So just scroll down, you can see the site name, change it to whatever name you wish. iWebTech, why not? So change it to your company name and all that. Your description, say web hosting, web design agency. We can actually set all this later on. So admin, I would like to put something like admin, then the password. This one is already generated automatically, but you can actually also remove it and input your own password. So for my sake, I'll just copy it. For a demo purposes, I'll just copy that. So the username is admin and the password is this. So the admin email, you can edit that. You can remove this and put some other thing that you wish to do. So scroll down a bit more. The site language, I'll just leave it to English. Now these are plugins and these ones are automatically installed if you leave them checked. Now I would like to uncheck them. Scroll down, then these are advanced options. You don't need to do anything here. These are the database configurations, so you don't need to do anything here. If you do anything, it might affect the installation. So just let's close it back. So guys, come over to the themes section, and then you must not install a theme right now. So you can install a theme later. You can also check on the theme library, and then but for now I don't want to install a theme yet. So you can install a theme later after installing the WordPress. So all you have to do now is to click on the install button and WordPress will be installed on your website. So let's click on install now. Okay, and then it will take approximately 2 minutes. Sometimes it won't take up to 2 minutes. Okay, you can see that immediately WordPress got installed. And then now there are 2 links they provided to us. This is the link to the website, and this is also the link to the admin dashboard. Now let me first open the link to the website. Right click, open link in new tab, and then okay, come here. Alright, you can see that these are websites with a newly installed WordPress. Okay, now let's go over to the admin dashboard. But even if you don't have this link, the link to your admin dashboard is your website name.com or .org or whatever /wp-admin. So that will take you to your admin login page where you can log in your admin. Now you can see that the admin username we chose that time we are installing the WordPress is admin, and then the password is, I will just paste it. I copied it right at that time, so I'll just paste it right here, and let me check. Okay, that's it. Just click on login and it will log in to the admin dashboard. So this is the how we log into admin dashboard. Okay guys, you can see that we have succeeded in installing WordPress into our website, and you can see the website here. It is actually looking very ugly and empty and all that. Yes, this is how it is always before you can now install themes and install plugins and then build up your website to a professional looking something. So guys, we have succeeded in installing WordPress, and then in the coming videos we'll be working with WordPress, and then we'll also leave link to this video to teach you how to install WordPress, and then continue with the next video. So if you got any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And if you have any question, please don't forget to leave it for me in the comment section below. And also, if you're new to this channel, I really appreciate if you can click the subscribe button and also turn on the notification, because that's the only way I get to grow my YouTube channel and you get to see my videos whenever I come up with a new video. So guys, that will be a goodbye for now. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye.